You called the sheriff?
Was that? Yeah, when he comes by, I'll tell him no, you guys are broken down over here. Okay. Yeah. That's right. How's it? Yeah, they're over there. The only person who speaks English is the kid, and the kid is kind of broken English, but I guess they've been over there for a little bit. Yeah. Thank you. Yep. A whole bunch, man. Yeah. All over there though. Yeah. What was that? All bass. Yeah. Drop shot, robo worm. It's funny because I started the day with the crankbait, and that was the only fish I caught. Another 3 hours went by with no fish, so I finally switched it up, and then like 30 fish later, it's been a good day. Yeah. I'm trying not to use them though. But yeah, y'all have a good one.